Queue and stack are collections that model real-world behaviors. A queue works like a line at a coffee shop where the first person in is the first person served. A stack is like a pile of plates where the last one placed on the top is the first one taken off. With a queue, you use the Enqueue method to add items to the back of the line, Dequeue to remove from the front, and Peek to view the next item without removing it. For a stack, you use the Push to add items to the top, Pop to remove from the top, and Peek to check what's on the top without removing it. Use a queue for tasks that need first in, first out order, like processing background jobs, handling requests in order, or implementing breadth-first searches in graphs. Use a stack for last in, first out scenarios like undo actions in text editors, expression evaluation in calculators, or tracking method calls in recursion.